Hello, my name is Nina London. I am a wellness coach and Qigong teacher. Today I would like to share with you a beautiful ancient meditation. It's called Inner Smile. We all know how it's wonderful to smile when we are happy. We are bringing this positive energy to people around us. But we will learn how to bring this energy inside us. It's like sunshine. It's a healing practice. Please join me.
Inner Smile Meditation. Sit at the edge of a chair with your feet about shoulder width on the floor. Close your eyes and relax your whole body and face. Breathe slowly and deeply. Visualize a peaceful scene, a smiling baby, or the sun shining at you to evoke a joyful and happy feeling. Start smiling with your eyes. Let the smiling energy flow like a gentle stream down your nose to wash over your lips. Raise the corners of your mouth slightly in a sublime inner smile. Place the tongue behind the teeth to connect the energy circuit for the entire practice. Smile to your heart. Lift your arm up above your head and look up. Smile and breathe in shining and radiating red light of love. Put your palms to your heart. Move your arms with an exhalation down to the earth. Exhale and release cruelty, impatience, and hurt. Put your palms back to your heart. Smile and say to yourself, I am loving and joyful. Smile to your lungs. Put your palms to your lungs. Smile and lift your arms up above your head. Deep breath in wide energy of courage. Move your arms with an exhalation down to the earth. Exhale and release a gray cloud of sadness and grief. Put your palms back to the lungs. Smile and say to yourself, I am brave and courageous. Smile to your liver. Put your palms to your liver on the right side under the rib cage. Smile and lift your arms up above your head. Deep breathe in green color of kindness. Exhale a gray and murky cloud of anger and resentment. Your arms go down with an exhalation, palms towards to the earth. Put your palms back to the liver. Smile and say to yourself, I am kind and generous. Smile to your kidneys. Put your palms on your kidneys. They are on the back just below the rib cage. Smile and lift your arms up above your head. Breathe in blue color of gentleness. Exhale a gray cloud of fear down to the earth. Your arms go down with an exhalation. Put your palms back to the kidneys. Smile and say to yourself, I feel peaceful. Smile to your spleen. Place your palms to your spleen on the left side. Lift your arms up above your head and smile. Breathe in bright and yellow color of fairness. Exhale a gray cloud of worries down to the earth. Your arms go down with an exhalation, palms towards to the earth. Put your palms back to the spleen. Smile and repeat, I am open, I am fair, and I have trust. To complete the practice, spiral energy around your navel. Place your left palm on the top of the right, on the dantian area, and spiral clockwise 36 times. After the practice, close your eyes. Let your palms stay on the dantian abdominal area. Deep breathe. Smile and feel a radiant ball of chi filled with kindness, bravery, trust, joy, love, peace, generosity, and courage. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much for taking time to meditate with me. I hope you feel sunshine inside yourself. May the Qi be with you.